So now we've got, what do we have? Fashion retailer over 450 square meters. And I'd like to invite up Johannes Bauer, who's sponsoring this award with S+B Group. Johannes, please come up and help us give this award away.
And on the shortlist we have Tata, Crop, Four Faces, House, Mojito, New Look, and Sensei.
So Johannes, thank you for sponsoring this event in this category today.
The winner of Fashion Retailer over 450 square meters is CCC.
CCC or Tata.
One way or another, I'm gonna be here.
So welcome, congratulations.
Maybe next week, I'm gonna meet you. I'm gonna meet you. I'll meet you.
Please feel free to say a few words, then we'll do some photos.
Drodzy Państwo, cóż można drugi raz powiedzieć? Dziękuję bardzo jeszcze raz za wszystko.
Dziękujemy.
Congratulations.
Gratulujemy.
Come join us.